What's going on, guys? We're back with another video. This time I'm talking about, well, I'm recording this way because I couldn't get the phone to mount up the right way. So we're gonna make this a short, I guess. So of course y'all know I got the baskets. I got them sanded down. Y'all seen the video. But now I'm trying to locate the motor, so it might be a while before I'd be able to upload the content or whatnot. So it might be a while on as far as that goes. Um, so I'm actually hunting down some motors for that build. So it's a lot harder than what I thought it would be. You know, of course, I could always just buy them and then just put them in there or put them in what I'm gonna put them in. But I don't think that'd be as entertaining as it would if we were to do it from scratch. So that's the whole reason for trying to do it from scratch. It's not really nothing else because, like I say, this build right here was kind of quick. It didn't really take long because everything the subs are already built. The enclosure, it doesn't take long to put an enclosure together, which I mean maybe it does for some people, but it really didn't for us. Even within a week or so or two, that was pretty quick to us. I don't even think it was a week for us to get this done. If it took us more than a week, it was probably because we were waiting on different stuff. But I know we have to build all the subwoofers from scratch, then it'll be different. But if we can't do it that way, then we might have to go back to square one, with the whole deal. So um I'm definitely looking for some motors to go on there, but if we don't find them, of course y'all know we're gonna go back to square one. We're gonna start all the way over from scratch with it, a whole new plan. So if that don't happen the way we got it planned, they're just how it goes. Of course we can't make I kind of see what EXO went through when he was looking for motors. He had to go all over the place to get motors here and there and just to put them together. And I noticed a lot of people in the comments would say, well, why don't you just buy some, buy these subwoofers right here, or buy some subwoofers instead of um trying to build them from scratch. It was really more about to me, I believe it was more about the whole process. I don't think, I know he probably could have bought them and just been done, but I think it was more the process. And to tell you the truth, it was more interesting watching him do it from scratch. So that's what I was like, you know what, man, I was gonna buy them all just ready to go, but I'm gonna give this a try, putting them together from scratch. If we don't, then we're gonna go with them already ready. So either way it goes, y'all stay tuned for the videos and whatnot. And be sure to hit the notification bell. Use the links down below to support the channel. And your discount code is cardioconnect.com. I'm gonna see y'all back on the next one.